Keto Resource 28-Day Keto Challenge Review. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a step-by-step ketogenic diet guide that features a full meal plan and different guides that will help you get started for the first month. As the name suggests, it provides you with all the information you need for 28 days exactly. There is a very solid and specific structure to this diet that makes it incredibly easy to follow. There are a number of things that you will get when you purchase the 28-Day Keto Challenge. Each of these resources is designed to help maximize your potential for success. 1. The Keto Basics. You will get a book that details the basics of the keto diet, which is an important foundation to start off with. It will provide you with all of the different benefits of following this diet for the long term. There is also a nice little keto foot pyramid that comes with a shopping list to make things easier for you. The 13 tips for success in this book will list all of the foods you can enjoy as well as the ones to stay away from. 2. Eating on Keto. The Eating on Keto book that you will get features 10 different recipes for delicious breakfast meals, 12 lunch recipes and 14 dinner recipes. There are also a number of snack ideas that will help you keep your cravings in check. It comes with a calendar that will show you what you should eat for each meal every single day for the first 28 days. This calendar makes sticking to the keto diet easier than ever before. 3. Tips for staying in ketosis. The Tips for Staying in Ketosis book will detail how your body physically changes when you enter ketosis. It will explain how to make this transition as smoothly and effortlessly as possible. This transition only takes a few days if you follow the detailed instructions in this particular guide. The smoother your transition is, the better your chances will be of succeeding with your diet long term. 4. A micro look at macronutrients. The Knowing Your Macros book that comes with this set will explain how many grams of fat, carbs and protein you are consuming on a daily basis. You will also learn how to properly calculate your macronutrients and keep your ratios proportionate. It goes into great detail about hidden carbs, which can completely sabotage your diet if you aren't careful. 5. Beat the Keto Flu. The keto flu is a term that is used to describe negative symptoms a person might experience when making the transition into a ketogenic diet. This book will detail these symptoms so you can recognize them if they appear. You will also learn how to eliminate the symptoms as quickly and effectively as possible. 6. Fasting Tips. The intermittent fasting book that comes with this set can really help you with learning how to diet properly. It is a fact that intermittent fasting can be good for your body and very helpful with weight loss. There are 5 unique styles of fasting that you will learn about when you read this book. 7. Keto and Friends. The Keto and Friends book will help you deal with any negative feedback you might get from friends and family when starting your new diet. This is something that trips up a lot of people and keeps them from following through with the diet. You will also get a chart that comes with tips for eating out and consuming alcohol. 8. Bonus materials. Keto Desserts. This book will provide you with 36 different recipes for delicious desserts that won't interfere with your diet. Avocado Recipes. The Keto-Friendly Avocado Recipes book will provide you with 5 different ways to prepare avocados. Keto Supplement Guide. You will learn about 12 of the best supplements to take while on a ketogenic diet to stay healthy. Benefits. There are tons of benefits you can enjoy from purchasing the 28-Day Keto Challenge. This set of guidebooks will make it easier for you to transition into this type of diet so you have the best chance of success. It can also help you to sleep better, lose weight and boost your energy levels significantly. Many people who follow this specific diet also find that their hair and skin even look healthier. Get 28-Day Keto Challenge now. Link in my description.